My name is Bien from Boracay, New Coast. My telephone number is 0945-247-8620. It's here written below here. My name is Bien. I am a senior property consultant in Boracay, New Coast. This is 150 hectares property of Mega World. So the owner is Dr. Andrew Tan. He's a Chinese tycoon. Number 4, richest man in the Philippines.
Oh.
Yeah, he owns McDonald's here in the Philippines. Also Emperador and Fundador of Spain.
Oh.
Yeah, he also bought the tallest building in Spain. Now it's the 4th tallest. And yeah, this is Boracay, New Coast. 150 hectares.
Come closer, Emily.
Okay.
You can see this information.
Information here below.
And sir, this is pre-sale.
This is pre-selling.
Pre-sale.
Yeah, we have 2 condominium for pre-selling now. We already have our RFO, ready for occupancy, 4 buildings. And we also have condotels, Savoy, Belmont, and Chancellor. This is 9 buildings in total.
So now would be the good time to purchase on pre-sale because later the price will go up,
Yes, correct, sir.
right?
Yeah.
I know.
Do you have a condominium before?
No, we used to be real estate.
Real estate.
Yeah,
Also.
we own a real estate company,
Really? Very
and we
good.
sold it.
Very good. Yeah. Buy and sell.
So we
Buy
know
and sell.
we know how.
Yeah. Now we have a same language.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This is Don Leske Sr. We are actively looking for a condominium. Please subscribe and watch our
Hotel
channel.
is a
Thank you.
three-cluster hotel. This is the first one built was 2017, and next is Belmont Hotel. And it looks like this. And if we are going there, it's beautiful there. It's wide, relaxed. 60% of property is greenery, forest, vegetation, and 40% is more on commercial. So it's a wildlife, relaxing. You will feel the atmosphere is very relaxed.
And what's that one on the end?
This is Chancellor Hotel. I like this hotel because this is like business class.
It looks good.
Yeah, it looks good. The design.
There's condo for sale there?
Yes, it's pre-selling. It's still pre-selling. This is ready for occupancy, Belmont and Savoy.
Oh.
This one is pre-selling. We still have. I can give
How much?
you
Like 8
for the
million?
price 8 million, sir. For 27
How did I know?
You know everything. Yeah, and this is the Belmont. How it looks like inside. You see difference.
So if somebody wants to come and or talk to you, they can call you.
Yeah.
But pre-sale means it's not built yet. Maybe
It's not
3
yet.
years.
Yes. Yeah. Pre-selling. Something like that.
Okay.
It's because pre-selling because it's not ready for occupancy.
Yeah.
It's still undergo the construction.
Yeah.
And for that, we have a 36 months, down payment, 0 interest. That's the best thing in pre-selling because 0%, 30% of this total contract is 0 interest and payable for 48 months.
It's very nice.
Yeah, you have questions, sir?
Now I need to sit down because I have a bad leg,
Correct.
and
Okay.
But-
Sit down, have a seat.
but I'll make a nice. Here's a quick little peek at their website, folks. It's pretty cool. You ought to go take a look at it, even if you don't buy. Thanks.
Call this boutique hotel district. This is for per square meter 100 to 120,000 per square meter. So, and this is shop house district. It costs 60,000 per square meter. Also commercial residential, but now it's sold out. Yeah,
This one has beach access.
has a beach access. Yes, sir. This total 1.5 kilometer beach.
Sige. And also,
Sige, yeah.
you have this one?
We have this one, We call this condotels.
Condotel.
Condotels. It's a condominium, but management is hotel.
But we can own it.
You can own it like a
and-
condominium, yeah.
And the management can rent it for us.
Yes. They will give you a guest, like normal hotel.
Okay, so I'm Donald J. Leske II, and this is Danya Emiliana Emily Leske.
Globetrotter.
So Emily can be found on YouTube at Emily Leske Globetrotter. That's the handle. So you just go to youtube.com and in their little YouTube search bar, not Google, YouTube search bar, look for Emily Leske Globetrotter. EMILYLESKE GLOBETROTTER. I know that's a mouthful. I have my own channel at youtube.com/DLESKE. So, that being said, we want to give a testimony for our wonderful friend and tour guide, Wilma Polerico. She goes by Will. Just call Will. WHIL. And then Will has been our tour guide for about 9 years, roughly. Right? I don't mark the date, but a long time. And she had a wonderful friend, Beth, they were partnered up to start out. And Beth, after a few years, took her own direction to go someplace. But Will stayed with it. She stayed with the course, communicated with us, took very good care of us, and did all the planning, the staging, the support in terms of organizing the travel places that we're going to go. And she asked what we want to do. What is it we want? Which, I appreciate that. It wasn't just a set program, you have to do it. Like a lot of tour guides, they have a program, and that's what you do. You pick out 1 or 2 or 3 programs they offer, and you go to see some place, and then you pay them and you're done. But with Will, it's a little bit more, how would you say that it's more conducive, or
It's unique.
it's unique. Will provides a
According to your needs.
so it's a modified tour, modified to what we want, our schedule. So in our case, there's several things we wanted to do. One, we want to see Philippine orphanages and give a little bit to help the children. And at an exchange rate of 50 to 1, that's 50 Philippine pesos to $1. It changes, it goes up and down, but that's roughly what it's going to be. With $500 US, we could buy a lot of food, a lot. Clothing. One year, a few years ago, it's all on our YouTube channel, but a few years ago we got supplies, school supplies for schoolgirls. And what was that, Bacolod?
Bacolod and Calamba, Laguna.
Oh, so a couple of different locations.
And Legazpi also. Legazpi, Albay, in Bicol.
Alabang?
And Alabang, Muntinlupa, yeah.
So, but we've done, in 9 years, we were coming here about twice a year for a week or 2 each time. But now we're retired and we're able to move here. And so we're going back to America to take care of some business and we'll come back. We're in the month of November, 2021.
Yeah.
And we'll come back probably March. I don't know. It's still being planned right now. But it's been a good thing, and I highly recommend Will. If you want to know about her pricing, scheduling, the details, please go and see her on Instagram at 2 Footprints Travel, or you can see her on Facebook at 2 Footprints Travel. Now, when they search for you, do they use the number 2 or TWO?
TWO, the word.
TWO. 2 Footprints Travel. And it's all one string, one word together, yeah. So take a look, see what you think. We actually love Will so much, we asked her to be our surrogate daughter. Although we love our daughter Naomi very much, she's not here. So Will is our daughter in the Philippines. You can put it that way. And we've asked Will if she would spend more time with us, and really, you know, we know our way around. My wife is Filipina. My wife was born here in Pasay, but she went to America when she was 10 years old. So there's a lot of things, we play things, I don't know, we just don't know. The convenience of having Will with us cannot be measured in dollars. You can't measure it in dollars. All the things she does for us, and I don't want to embarrass her and go into it at this time, but it does a lot. If you're a single guy looking for a girl, that's not what she's about.
What?
Will is single, but I don't want to embarrass her, so I won't say any more about that. Don't hit on her unless she says it's okay. Okay, well, that's good enough. We'll cut it off there. Thank you. God bless. And come to the Philippines and see Will. Sige na. Bakit hindi? Maraming salamat. Mabuhay.